everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to default Google Chrome or set Google Chrome as your default browser in your computer. So in this case, I'm using Windows 11, so it might be different if you use another version of Windows, but I'm going to show you how. So first, you just need to go to the menu here, the Windows menu or the start menu in Windows, and then you need to go to settings. Okay, so at the setting, you need to find at the left panel the apps option. Just select the apps, and then at the second row you'll find the default app, and just click on that. And then here you just need to search for the Chrome apps at the set defaults for application. Just need type in Chrome and then click on the apps, and then here at the top, make Google Chrome your default browser. Just click on set default until the check icon show up like this. Okay, so that's it from me. That is how you can make Google Chrome as your default browser. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.